Why is it needing the clock done? There we go.
2005.
Right, so this game looks fun. Bring it over here then. What's our high score? I won. Oh, look at all those bubbles.
It's died out now.
Oh. We're losing screen brightness. Take it out. Oh, the screen is actually dying.
As a sideways.
Yeah, let's see. Can I get like a ringtone to play? I like this Caribbean one. Actually, it's still going. It's not recognising it. Squish all the balls out. It is vibrating. Insert SIM card. Packet data. Why is it trying to connect to 3G? Does it have 3G? Oh wow! Look at that! Yeah, let's turn it off. Right, end recording. Okay, so we've got the light coming on. The phone is off, but it's malfunctioning now. We'll see what it does if we take it under the water again. So much bubbles coming out, let's squish it. To get those bubbles coming out. Look at that, lights on. You can see some water getting into the screen now. Oh, look at that, you can see all the screen just filling up on the other camera. That's cool. Like, can you see that?
Right.
Look at it, it just goes round with the screen. Let's give it some power. Has it got power? Oh, it has power. That light's stuck on. Squeeze all the water out. See if I've just actually killed a Nokia already. I've squished all the water out of the screen.
Yeah. Well, it worked though.
Do something other than just that. Funny thing is, I didn't even know that existed. That light existed, but there you go. That is embarrassing for Nokia. And they say they stress test these phones Apparently not all of them. I'm going to plug it in and see what it does. Right, so we've got the Nokia here. We've given it a good minute to dry off. That light's still on. Not sure if it's going to go off. If we open it up, it's still wet. So we'll set that down there. And then if I plug it in to the port in which it plugs, just go in. Nothing happens. I think we've killed it. Which is annoying because, seriously, it's a Nokia. Still does that though. That's all it does. I'll just give it a bit longer to dry off and check back in a minute. Well, in a while. Right, so let it dry out a bit. Still some water on the screen there, but I've taken it apart and it's dried out now. So if we plug the battery in, you can hear speaker crackling, and our wee light just came on again. Put it back on. So that light likes to be on. If we start it up, it doesn't. Well, still got that. Stupid thing. Right. Okay, so the speaker's just started glitching out. We'll move up to the mic to see if you can hear it. Right, move the light, it's hot, like absolutely burning. So I clamp my light grabber to it. Stupid Nokia. I've not melted it yet. That didn't work. Right, there we go. Right, here's our wee Nokia. As you can see, the light's still on. Speaker's sometimes a wee bit crackly. And I'm going to press power button. Look. The screen does work. Just not very properly. So, this is our setup we've got going here. This is going to go to the bottom of the water, and we've got to try and drop this in and sink one of the plates with it. Let's get started. Right, so this is going to the bottom of the water. This green plate here is going to get the Nokia thrown at it, and we're going to see if we can sink it. And also maybe get rid of this. See that? So now it's had a wee minute to be in there, and that's still going. So all the water and the bubbles coming out. I'm trying to get that started again. In seconds. Right. So not much is actually happening in here. I think this is the screen's gone. Don't know if you can hear the that's still going. The wee speaker, but that light is no dying, so let's have a go at taking out a cup. There we go, that's it, still where it landed. Still working. So just oops. So find something to do. So as you can see, this thing doesn't really want to die at all. This is one light. So I think we'll let it dry off for a bit, and yeah, we'll see if we can get it working again.
I think it's not either.
Damage has been done.
Oh.
That's been done. Out the way again.
Oh no.
It's like something's definitely not there that's meant to.
Huh.
Ooh. Oh, I wish I'd done that before the water test so we could see it's still working. Look at it. Wow. Right, it's a start up. Cheap. Right, stop live ads. That's surprising how tough that is.
Wait, hold on. Stop.
How? How?
Where's your screwdriver?
How's this door not coming off? Like, I've bent it and that's it. It still closes. It still just snaps shut. Just open it up again. Take this and we'll just go per squish. Oh! I just got bent into the shape of the Nokia. The how... off to bit at the same time. Oh, come on! It just keeps closing.
Right, let me try.
Wait just a second, I want to try one more thing. No, I'm determined to stop this from closing. I'm gonna disable it. Yes. Try and close that one.
It just closed.
It literally just did. Oh wait. Might have completely jammed it closed though. But my SIM card's no in it. No.
Where's your screwdriver?
We're not using that, I'll just snap it. I give up. You're just gonna attack it with the SIM card. Oh, I just snapped the SIM cards.
I don't know if it's a rubber or the glass that's come out. It's a rubber.
Right, I give up.
Right, let me have a try at that.
Right, I'm finally gonna get this door snaps off. Finally.
Yay!
They know what they're making these out of, eh?
Yeah, definitely. Oh.
Kind of cut off of the bottom part of the Nokia. No, I can't.
Let me try it.
Right, it's gonna snap off a wire. That's how sharp they are, by the way.